this tutorial, you will learn where to find your save files and config files in WWE 2K25. First, open a folder. Open your C drive. Open Program Files x86. Open the Steam folder. Open User Data. Open your user number folder. Open the folder 287896.0. Open the remote folder. In here, you will find your saved files. To locate the config file, open the Documents folder. Open the WWE 2K25 folder. Here you will find your configuration file. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.